Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on SLP. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that SLP has recently broken out another quite big and long-term descending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, this is the 7 days time frame chart, by the way, and you can see that recently we have broken out this very significant resistance of $0.004. That was previously working as a resistance here, and for several weeks, it has been working as a resistance here and support here as well. And now if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this triangle for the past few days, it was working as a very, very strong resistance, but finally the price then broke it out. And now it is getting accumulated here at this level. And if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to here, then you can see that it is so far not retraced more than 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is possible that during this price accumulation we may have a bull flag formation over here. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long term down channel as well. On the 7 days time frame chart, not down channel, a falling wedge pattern. We have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for OG fan token, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 6th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of SLP. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of October 2023, the price line was moving inside this very big and huge descending triangle. You can see that we had several touch points here at the support, then we had a nice bounce, then we got several rejections, 1, 2, 3 rejections. Then again, the price then got rejected by the resistance of the triangle here in the month of June 2024. Then we had a bounce here from the support. Then we had several touch points at the support once again. Then we had another bounce here. Then the price then again got rejected by the resistance of the triangle here. And this was the last rejection that was happening here on 11th of November 2024, and finally the price then broke out the resistance, and imminently it has also broken out this very significant and long-term resistance of $0.004 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and support here as well. And therefore now after this breakout, it can be again flipped into a long-term support for the price line. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price line rallied very well. Then we had some price correction here. Then we had another very nice rally. And again, the price line we are going through a correction move. And if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this side, then you can see that so far this correction is not retraced more than 0.382 retracement level. Therefore, this can be the possible bull flag formation. For example, by the way, this is only 1, 2, 3, and 4th candlestick. So it is possible that we may form another bull flag here. And after the breakout from this bull flag, the price then can turn even more bullish and we may see another pump to the upside. For example, if it will be a bull flag, like it is going to be, then after the breakout, we can expect another rally. The technical target I'm going to tell you will be here. That will be approximately, for example, if it will break it out somewhere from somewhere here, then the technical target will be quite big from here. That will be approximately at 1.2 cents or 1 cent. And if the price then reaches there, then it can try to break out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent has been previously breaking as a resistance zone here, and before that has been breaking as a very, very strong support zone here as well. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this descending triangle, then technical target for the breakout from this triangle is here at 1.19 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. and that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 45 cents to 50 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.